The first question is, what fruit was mentioned often in the Bible and is also tasty in a Newton cookie? The correct answer is B, fig. Question 2. Derived from the ink it produces, calamari is the Italian name for what creature? The correct answer is A, squid. Question 3. What vegetable is the German dish of sauerkraut made from? The correct answer is C, cabbage. Question 4. What color are ripe cherries? The correct answer is C, red. Question 5. Which fruit will turn brown when cut? The correct answer is A, apple. Question 6. What nutrient found in fish is thought to be good for both your heart and your brain? The correct answer is A, omega-3 fatty acids. Question 7. What pseudo-barbecue sandwich was largely a failure at U.S. McDonald's, although it became popular in Germany? The correct answer is A, McRib. Question 8. Although the canned version is fine, what fresh fruit is a bad mix with Jell-O on account of an enzyme called bromelain? The correct answer is C, pineapple. Question 9. In 1909, in United States v. 40 barrels and 20 kegs of Coca-Cola, what were the feds hoping to do? The correct answer is C. Prove that Coke was made with cocaine. And the last question is, what is another name for the antioxidants found in tea? The correct answer is C, flavonoids. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.